Hello friends, in this video we will see a few basic commands used in Linux. We'll right click and open a console. So you can also go to start menu or the kickoff application launcher, and you can say terminal. So you get console here, or you can right click and get console here. So you can type ls. So it should be a small letter. ls. So ls is a command. So before getting into ls, we'll see pwd. This is print working directory. It will give you the current directory which you are in. So print working directory gives /home/mac. So we have one more command. That is ls command. It's list command. So it will list all the files and folders in the current directory. You can see. So it shows all the folders, but it's not showing all the folders actually. It's not showing the hidden files. To see all the files, including the hidden files, you have to say ls-a. So now you can see there are more files in the directory. I'll say clear. So you can use up arrow to the previously used command, up arrow, down arrow to use any commands which is already used. So I say ls-a. You can see these are all the files and directories. You can see these are directories which are in blue in color. So this color scheme depend from Linux versions to one Linux version to other Linux versions. These color schemes. But this is file, and again this is file. You can see. You can also test using this command file and select this. See, you have to select this, and you don't have to right click or right click and copy. You have to select this and come here and use your mouse scroll button, click the scroll button, so it gets pasted. You say file and press enter. It says it's an ASCII file. Again you say select this and say file. So pictures is a directory. So this way you can identify using a command. So ls-a will list all the files in the current directory. Clear will clear the screen. Okay, I say ls-a. So it lists everything. I'll do clear again. So you can see I'm using the up arrow key to go through the commands. So I clear. So I'll say ls-al this time. So I'll say ls-l first. So it will show you all the folders. It will not show you the hidden folders. It show only the regular folders, but it will show as a long listing. You can see it's showing a long listing, and it shows what are the permissions on the files. We'll talk about permissions in a different video. So who is the owner of the file? So which group the file belongs to, and it also says the modified date or the created date, modified date, and the folder name. So this also shows you can see these two files are created by user root, and it belongs to a user root group. So this way we can do a long listing. I'll do clear again. I can say ls-al or la. So you can give options any way you want. It's not compulsory that you get al or la. So this time it gives all the folders and files which are hidden files or which are hidden folders. Everything will be displayed. So this is a long listing. So ls-al or ls-l will give you the long listing.